Hello everyone, I'm Zhou Kexin from Group 6. My group number is 6A. Today, I would like to present my pseudo-random numbers pseudo-randomness testing. This is my Python implement of the FIPS 1402 monobit test. First, I import the random module. It is used to generate random bits, either 0 or 1. Next, I create a function called run monobit test, which contains the whole experiment. Then I define the experimental parameters. The bitstream length is 20,000 bits. According to the FIPS standard, the number of ones must be between 9,725 and 10,275. The program will stop after obtaining 3 accepted bit streams. Then I define the variables that are used to count the numbers of successful tests and the total number of the iterations. The while loop keeps running until 3 bit streams pass the test. Then the program generates a random bit stream containing 20,000 bits. Each bit is randomly assigned as 0 or 1. Next, the program counts the number of ones and zeros in the bit stream. Then, the program checks whether the number of ones is within the required range. If it is, the bit stream passes the monobit test. The program displays the iteration number, the number of zeros, the number of ones, and the test result. If the bit stream is accepted, the success counter increases by 1. Finally, this statement executes the functions and starts the experiment. In summary, this program generates a 20,000-bit random sequence, performs the FIPS 1402 monobit test, and repeats the process until 3 accepted bit streams are obtained. Now, let's look at the results. The results show that all 3 generated bit streams passed the monobit test. The numbers of ones were 9,959, 10,036, and 10,086 respectively. All values were within the FIPS 1402 acceptance range. Since the numbers of zeros and ones are both close to 10,000, the bit streams have a balanced distribution and can be considered sufficiently random according to the monobit test. In conclusion, this experiment successfully generated random bit streams using Python and tested them using the FIPS 1402 monobit test. All 3 bit streams passed the test because the number of ones was within the required range. This experiment helped me understand the random number generation and the importance of the randomness testing in cryptography. Thank you.